Thank you for joining the Build Overview video for eSchool Data version 9.7. Today we're going to go over some of the newly enhanced features included in this release. The first update is to our search page for Registration Guardians. If you navigate to Registration Guardians, you will now see Primary Email as an available search field for the Guardian page. The next update is for the declassified icon. For any students that have a special education status with an end reason of declassified, the district now has the ability to control how many days the declassified icon will display after the student status end date. In order to set up this visibility range, navigate to System, Codes, and select Disability Codes. From there, you can now edit the 901 declassified end reason and set the visibility expiration days. The next update is to the Excel output of our Discipline Entry Wizard. Navigate to Student Discipline, Discipline Entry Wizard. Search for any existing incidents that you wish to include in the output. After exporting to Excel, you will see the incident ID now included in this output. The next update is a new administrative report to assist in helping you find any gaps in student schedules. Navigate to Reports, Scheduling, Administrative Reports. You will now see a new report for students who require a schedule review. This report is going to behave similar to your study hall free times report. You're able to search for a particular day code as well as a semester pattern to see how many students may have any classes missing for the scheduled day pattern. If you have a building that operates on an 8-period rotation and students just need to have 6 periods scheduled in order to be considered fully scheduled for the day, you can select the day code in the semester pattern, select all of your counselors, and then set the minimum number of classes that you expect to see on a student's schedule. This report is going to include the number of classes that are assigned to a student on the selected day pattern, as well as the number of periods that are assigned to the student in case they don't match up because your district is utilizing blocked scheduling. The next update for administrative reports are to our health screening reports. The student health screening reports have been updated to allow districts to pull in all students regardless of screening status. Users may now use this Include All Students option and select Yes, and the report will then include all student information regardless of whether or not they have a screening for the selected type. The final update is an addition to allow districts to run the attendance closeout from the beginning of the school year. Navigate to Student Attendance Closeout Defaults. Users with the permission to run the closeout for previous days will have this available option to schedule the previous closeout. When scheduling this job, if you select a weekday, then you're going to be restricted to only a 30-day range to run this closeout. If you select a weekend day, then you will be able to run the closeout from the beginning of the year to the end of the school year. That concludes the highlights for Release 9.7. If you would like to see more information about any bug fixes that were included in this release, please visit the Release Notes tab within the Help site for more information.